Welcome to the next generation of Periskope. We've rebuilt the platform for superior speed and granular control. For starters, say hello to dark mode. You can now toggle your theme from two convenient locations, the main header for an instant switch, or within your account settings. To make your experience more convenient, we've also introduced universal search. Instead of jumping between tabs, you can now query chats, messages, tickets, and contacts simultaneously from a single bar. For example, searching a name instantly brings up every relevant conversation and support ticket across the entire workspace. Communication management is now more precise. We've moved away from basic toggles to a granular notification system, giving you absolute control over alerts and sound profiles for both external messages and internal private notes. The log section has been re-engineered for performance. By moving to an optimized backend architecture, we've significantly reduced load times. A new timestamp filter now allows for deep history searches well beyond the previous 7-day limit. What this means for you is zero lag when switching between thousands of logs and instant data retrieval. Contact management has been completely overhauled. Use the new select option for bulk deletions or to toggle internal and external labels instantly. We've also simplified onboarding. You can now add individual contacts through a streamlined modal, eliminating the need for manual CSV uploads. If a chat isn't present, the new side panel lets you initiate a conversation instantly. We've also integrated AI settings directly into the chat list, allowing you to activate or deactivate AI assistants on the fly. While the interface remains intuitive, the underlying architecture is faster and more responsive than ever. Experience the new Periskope. Book your demo today by heading to periskope.app.